There's nothing worse than a noisy boat on the water. You want a hull that's nice and quiet, really adds to the experience in your ride. One of the processes we do is we put in a PVC core on the side, on both the hull sides. It really gets rid of that water noise coming through the hull and quietens the boat down. It also adds some stiffness to the hull, so we put it on both sides. You see the guys have applied adhesive here and put down a PVC core through here. It's a product called Divinicel. That's been bonded down under vacuum, so it's sucked down nice and evenly, and then that vacuum will come off and the guys will resin that into the hull.